I'm putting icing in a piping bag so that I can make roses for garnish for tonight's desserts.
Tell me what you're doing.
Making roses for a garnish for tonight's desserts. This is a flower nail, and what I do is I put a dab of icing on the top and then put my wax paper on top of that, and then I take a piping bag with a round tip on it, and I'm going to make a beehive and just squeeze some icing out and slowly pull it up right like that, and that's the base of my rose. Then I'm going to take a tip 105, which looks like a wedge, and I'm going to make the center of my rose, and then I'm going to put 3 petals. And then after that, I'm going to do 5. And then I'm going to push it up a little bit, and I'll do 7 at the bottom.
Hold on.